Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off broadcast channel invite notifications on Facebook Messenger. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the lower right corner of your Messenger interface. You'll notice a menu icon there, typically represented by 3 horizontal lines or a similar symbol. Go ahead and click on this menu option to reveal your account settings and preferences. Once the menu opens, you'll see a list of various options available. Look for the one labeled Settings and click on it. This is where you can customize how Messenger works for you, including notification preferences, privacy controls, and other important features that affect your overall experience. After clicking on Settings, you'll be taken to a new page with several configuration options. Here, you need to find and click on Notifications and Sounds. This section is specifically designed to help you manage all the alerts and audio notifications you receive from Messenger, giving you complete control over what you want to be notified about and what you'd prefer to ignore. Inside the Notifications and Sounds page, scroll through the different categories until you locate the Channels section. This area controls all notification settings related to Facebook's Broadcast Channels feature, which allows creators and public figures to share updates with their followers. Since broadcast channels are a relatively new feature, Facebook sends invite notifications by default whenever you're invited to join one. Within the channel section, you'll see various notification options related to this feature. Look specifically for the one labeled invite. This particular setting controls whether you receive notifications when someone invites you to join their broadcast channel. If you've been receiving too many of these invitations or simply aren't interested in broadcast channels, this is exactly what you need to adjust. Right beside the invite option, you'll notice a toggle button. This toggle is currently switched on, which means you're receiving notifications for broadcast channel invites. Simply click on this toggle button to turn it off. Once you do this, you'll immediately stop receiving notifications whenever you're invited to join a broadcast channel, giving you a cleaner, less cluttered notification experience. And that's it. You've successfully disabled broadcast channel invite notifications on Facebook Messenger, so you won't be bothered by these alerts anymore. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.